Hello friends, in previous video I explained clipboard group in home tab. Second group in home tab is font group. Okay, now we'll study font group. This group provides access to all the character formatting commands. It contains what? Character formatting commands. You can quickly display the font dialog box, font tab, by clicking on the dialog box launcher in the bottom right corner of this group. Okay, so means what this? When you click this bottom right corner, okay, you get font dialog box. It contains many options: font style, size, font color, underline color, and effects, preview. Okay, these all are many options are under font dialog box. Okay, this question is very important. It asks for 15 marks in the final exam. Okay, first you have to draw this diagram, then you have to explain one by one. The first command is font. In font group, first command is font. Provides a list of all the available fonts based on your current pointer selection. Okay, so it contains many fonts here. These are the many fonts. Okay, it contains many fonts. So what you have to do is just select the text. Okay, then click on this drop down menu. Okay, it displays many fonts. Which fonts you want, you just select it. So it change the font. Okay, there are many fonts are available. Okay, you can select any font. Clear, no? Okay. Next, second one, font size. Lets you adjust the character size based on your current pointer selection. Okay, so you can increase and decrease the font size. Just select the text. Okay, by default the size is 8. Okay, if you want 12, 14, okay, you can change. Okay, how much you want, you can select it. Clear, no? Next, grow font. Increase the font size of the current selection to the next larger size in the font size box. This was called increase font in MS Word 2003. Just select the text, then just go on click it. It go on increase. Okay, so you can see here at present 18. Okay, if you increase 20, 22, it increase by 2 points. Okay, then similarly decrease font. Shrink font. Decrease the font size of the current selection to the next smaller size in the font size box. This was called decrease font in MS Word 2003. Okay, so you can, this is decrease font. It go on decrease. Okay, at present 18, next 16, next 14, like this. You can decrease the font size. Okay, that is shrink font. Next, change case. Drop down. Changes the selected text to either uppercase, lowercase, or any other type of capitalization. The drop down contains the commands sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. See, for example, let's select the text. Okay, this is change case. Change case. Okay, it contains sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. If you click uppercase, all letters become capital. All are capitals here. Okay, if you click small case, lowercase, all are small. Okay, if you click sentence case, the first letter is capital. At present the first letter is small. If you click sentence case, the first letter become capital. Then capitalize each word. The first letter of the each word is capital. Okay, in this word C is capital, T capital, S capital. Okay, first letter of the each word is capital. Then last toggle case. In toggle case, the uppercase letter becomes lowercase, lowercase letter become uppercase. Okay, so previously it was C capital, remaining all are small. Now C becomes lowercase, remaining all capital, like this. Smaller case, small case become uppercase, uppercase become lowercase. Clear, no? This is sentence case, first letter is capital. Next, clear all formatting. Okay, suppose assume I select the text, clear all the formatting from the current selection. Okay, I make it bold, I increase the size, and I give some color. Okay, some italic, underline. Okay, some strike through. Okay, so these all are formatting, changing the color, increasing the size. Okay, change the font color, all those things. Okay, all of the formatting. Okay, clear all formatting means what? Clear all the formatting. Okay, you just clear all the color, size. Okay, all those things. Okay, this is clear formatting. Okay, it become normal text. Clear, no? Okay, it clear all the colors, size, etc. Next, control bold, control plus B. Okay, toggles bold on the current selection. Okay, if you select the text, first select the text, then click on bold. Okay, it become bold. Okay, little darker and the width gets increase. Italic, toggles italic on the current selection. Just select the text, then click on italic. Okay, just get cross. Toggle. Next, underline. Shortcut key is Ctrl plus U. Shortcut for bold is Ctrl plus B. Shortcut for italic is Ctrl plus I. Shortcut for underline is Ctrl plus U. Button with drop down. The button toggle bold on the current selection. The drop down contains the commands underline, underline, double underline, thick underline, dotted underline, dashed underline. Just select the text, then underline. Okay, so here all the selected text contain underline. Okay, it contains many options. Underline contain many options. Okay, double underline, dotted underline. Okay, the many options are there. Okay, whichever you want, you can select it. Okay, this is a dotted underline. Clear, no? If you don't want underline, just click once again. Okay, clear, no? If you want, just click underline. If you don't want, you click once again. This is about the underline. Next, strike through. Draws a line through the middle of the selected text. Okay, draws a line through the middle of the selected text. Just select the text, it draws a line in the middle of the selected text. Strike through, like this. In the middle of the line of the text, it displays the line. Clear, no? Strike through. Subscript converts the selection to small letter below the text baseline. Example, H2. Okay, example, the formula for water is H2O. Okay, so example, okay, in H2O, 2 comes below. Okay, just select 2 and click on subscript. Okay, 2 come below, 2 displays below. Clear, no? Okay, here 2 displays below. Next, superscript converts the selection to small letters above the text line. So example here, A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, actually this 2 comes above. Okay, superscript, make it superscript. This is superscript. Okay, to display above. Then again select this 2, click on superscript. Next again click on 2. Next click on superscript. Okay, it displays above. This is Okay, this is about the superscript. Next, text effects and typography. In that, first text highlight color. Button with drop down shades the background behind the current selection. Just select the text too. Okay. Then text highlight color. This is text highlight color. Okay. So you can, there is a drop down option is there. You can select any colors. Okay. It displays in the background. It displays in the background. Shades the background behind the selection. So whichever color you want, you can select it. Clear, no? Okay. Okay, if you don't want color, again you select. If you don't want background color, again you select. Then select no color. Clear, no? Next, last one is font color. Button with drop down. It contains drop down option. The button changes the color of the font of the current selection. The drop down contains the commands automatic, theme colors, standard colors, and more colors. Okay, just select the text too. Then select the color. Which color you want, you can select it. Clear, no? Whichever color you want, you can select it. You can change the color. Clear, no? This is about the font. Okay, so font contain many options. So it is very important for 15 marks. You have to draw the this diagram. You have to draw. Then you have to explain each. Okay. So in font you can change the font. Okay. Then here you can select the different size. Okay. And go font you can increase the font size. You can decrease the font size, shrink font. Then clear formatting. You can clear the format, the color, the size, all those things. Okay. You can make it bold. You can make it italic. Then underline. You can give underline. Again, there are many options out there. Okay. Single line, double line, dotted line, like this. Then strike through. You can display a line in the middle of the text. Then subscript, example H2O. If you want 2 below, then superscript. Okay, example A plus B the whole square. You want 2 above. Then change case. There are 5 cases are there. Okay, this question asks for 5 marks, which are the different change case. Sentence case, lower case, upper case, and capitalize each word, and toggle case. In sentence case, the first letter of the sentence is capital. Lower case, all the letters are lower case. Upper case, all the letters are capital. Capitalize each word, the first letter of the each word is capital. Toggle case, okay, the upper case become lower case become upper case, like this. And this one is text highlight color. In background you can give the color. Then font color. The text font, you can change the text color. Okay. Again, there are many color options out there. You can select any colors. Clear, no? Okay. Thank you.